Alrighty, welcome back to the bench. Wanted to do one last update before I started this Chevelle build. I did pick up two detail kits from the Model Car Garage to do this build. I got the 1970 Chevelle detail set for the Revell kit. It's also it also works for the AMT kit that I have. I'm pretty sure it's AMT. Yeah, AMT. We'll get these out of the bag here in a minute. I also got the big block Chevy Mickey Thompson dress up kit set because I feel like the engine in the kit is pretty lackluster. But anyway, let's get these open and see what we get inside. So it comes with two sprues. Or I shouldn't say sprues, I don't know what they are. But this one has Chevrolet and Malibu. If I can get it to catch the light correctly. Anyway, it says Chevelle Malibu. And then this one has most of the other details. This was not an easy PE to find. I can only get it off their website. Everywhere else was sold out. We'll take a look at the instructions real quick, which has a layout of all the different parts. Why it keeps wanting to focus on everything else. Webcams are not the greatest at refocusing. Too far away with me? No. So anyway, it's got your different things. It's got your front grille. It's got different Chevelle emblems. The SS logos for different engine dedications. Center steering wheel. If you want to go with the stock steering wheel, it's got the more detailed center for that. Mirror, license plate, tail lights. It's got a bit of everything. So we got that. Put this back in here so we don't lose anything. We also have this one. Just staples all the way through. No, more staples. Nice. Once we get two resin valve covers, just like the top of your air cleaner. Not sure what the belts are for. Probably upgraded for pulley. Hopefully I wasn't just in your way. Well, you got the top of the valve covers. Looks like some wire looms, thermostat, radiator, alternator bracket. Looks like there's a side screen for the air cleaner. It looks like some pulleys. And then it gives us some wire mesh. See what all they want us to do with this. Is this supposed to be the paper insert, or is that supposed to be the paper insert? Photo etch bottom, resin center. I'm guessing this is supposed to be the paper mesh. And the photo etch screen on the outside. And yeah, and then same thing with the dog covers. So yeah, basic metal colors. So this will upgrade the top of the engine, make it look good from the top. So the very next video will be of us starting the Chevelle. I have it up here. So we'll get started on this. I'm probably right after this going to start a live stream and just start working on it. And we'll do our video off of that live stream. So it should be fun. I really can't wait to get into it. So let me clean this up and we'll catch you in the next episode.